Hello. This video illustrates an openwork stitch using the trendy mesh topology. These are images of knitwear made using a pattern that's similar to the stitch we are looking at. The holes are evenly spaced throughout the knit's fabric. The final photo features Reese Witherspoon, an American actress. The fabric of this knitting pattern has medium transparency. The semi consists of one basic row and 3 rows of stockinette stitch. The 4 rows are repeated with an offset. The number of loops in the sample is a multiple of 3 plus 4 edge loop. At the end of the video, I will explain the features of knitting in the round. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, this is the main row of the knitting. Make a centered decrease by 1 loop using a wrap loop technique as follows. Pick up the first 2 loops that way but knit only the first one. The second is moved to the right hook without being knitted. Knit the third and pass 2 loops through the first. Then make a yarn over loop. Again. Decrease by 1. Yarn over. On rows 2, 3, and 4 we knit a stockinette stitch. Knit on the right side and purl on the wrong one. Row 5 right side. Knit 1 offset loop first. Make a centered decrease by 1 loop using a wrap loop technique. Next is a yarn over loop. Repeat. Decrease by 1. Yarn over. On rows 6, 7, and 8 we knit a stockinette stitch. Knit on the right side and purl on the wrong one. When knitting in the round, the difference is in rows 2, 4, 6, and 8. There, knit all the stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. This laconic openwork knit with a delicately balanced structure will give a luxurious look to any garment knitted with it and is an ideal choice for summer. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.